Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. We're going to get right into today's video, and today's video is from a company called Nadine West. And Nadine West is basically, it is a subscription bag, but I would say that it's more of a style service. This company was founded in 2013. They send personalized outfits to your doorstep every month. And there are no subscription fees like in the normal box. You pay only for the items that you want to keep. If you don't want to keep any of them, you send them all back. The only fee is the shipping. And each month it is $9.78. But if you decide to keep one item, multiple items, or everything in your bag, that $9.78 is credited to you towards the purchase of the items. Therefore, you pay nothing except the cost of the items that you decide to keep. And for a limited time on the Nadine West website, if you use the code in all caps, Nadine, Nadine, you get free shipping. So that's a good way to start, to try to see if you would like this service. It will cost you nothing. If you just get it and you decide you like nothing, send it back. It costs you nothing. You do get to take a style quiz, and I do believe there are about 11 questions to answer, and they pretty much cover everything from your style, your jewelry style, patterns that you like for tops, colors that you will not wear, the top size, your bottom size, areas that you would like to conceal, metals that you love for jewelry, a budget that you normally would use for tops, your budget for jewelry. One of the options was I prefer shipments every 2 weeks versus every 4 weeks. And then the last question on your style quiz is my style is, and you get to fill in the blank. And there's a large enough area that you can tell them, you know, all of your preferences. You like this, you don't like that, items that you don't ever want to receive, items that you always want to receive, which is very, very nice. This is something that you can skip, pause, or cancel at any time. It is only for the U.S. residents currently. The size range for clothing runs from a small to 3X. And in your package, each delivery, you get 4 to 6 items. And the prices range from, let me see, where did I write that? $10 to the mid $30 range for the items that they include. And let's get right into the bag. And I'll just open the bag. So it's a nice big pink mailer. And then inside, oops. And be careful when you open your bag, because this is the bag that you will ship your items back in. So items, if you want to keep them all, then you can, you know, get rid of the bag. But if you're going to send anything back, you need to send it back in this bag. And I'm going to just cover my address here. And they give you a return label that you just cover this label with, and it ships directly back to Nadine West. And pretty small package. It's always nice pink tissue with a pink Nadine West sticker. And this is my first impression. So, so there's, oh, cute stuff. Nice little bags and with some jewelry in it, which is nice. And I have 2 articles of clothing here. Oops. Okay, so we'll put them here. So what you receive is a sheet which tells you all the items in your bag with your value price. So if you decide to keep those items, that's the price that you have to pay. It gives you the instructions here to return. And it does tell you that unused labels by February 1st, 2019 cannot be returned. So you have till then to get it back to your post office. And the other side, I'm just going to cover my address here is your return label. So you would put this label on the front of your package. So the first item here says that I should have a top in navy, and there was only 2 articles of clothing, so that is not, there's nothing else in the bag. That is not in the bag, so that's a problem right off the bat. This is the very first month that I've received this package from Nadine West, and I already don't have the very first item that they state should be in my bag, so I will have to notify them. The second item listed is a top, so it's a nice v-neck, nice folded sleeve here. So and it has, it's almost like a dolman style because there is no, it's just a continual sleeve. I don't know if I'm a fan of that, but it is cute. And it is long. Wow. It does have slits up the sides. Now, let me just hold this up to me. Okay, that's what I thought. I did state on my style quiz, we'll just put that right there, and this shirt is there. So this is supposed to be a top, and the name of it is Sissy, and it's in Cabernet, and the value price is $17.49. I mean, it's a nice weight. It's sort of stretchy, breathable. And the color is Cabernet. I don't know if I did say that. $17.49. The top that I am missing, the name of the top is Lindsay, and it was supposed to be navy, and that was $15.49. So if I decide to keep the items, that's what you pay. I did state in my the section where you get to say my style is, I'm 5'1½". And that I only like a certain length top because I am short. That a top of this length is literally comes to the top of my knees and could be a dress, which obviously is not something that I will be keeping. It's just way too long. The next item is the bottoms, which are Galaxy Flower in black, with a value of $16.99. And they look like this. So they are a legging. Okay, nice wide band at the top. As you can see here, the nice wide band. The print is a little out there for me, personally. So it's a nice legging. I will try them on. I honestly don't know if I would keep those. Like I said, don't generally wear a print on the bottoms, but it's not like it's a real bright print. So if I have, and I'm sure I have navy or this tealy green blue or maybe like a nice purple that I could as a solid and wear with the leggings, would have to, be a little bit longer. Let's see the bottom of the pants here. Oh, I'm sorry, I just banged the camera. So, just like true legging, they taper down, but they are cute. I'm not going to say they're not cute. Oh, and it has a little bit of like a white. So you could pretty much, as long as you picked a color out, from the leggings, you could do that, but I will try them on. I'm not even going to try this shirt on because I know I will return that. I'm not 100% on the leggings. I'm not necessarily a legging person, but I will try them. I probably will send them back because I would say that would be a miss for me. The next item listed are earrings. So let's see. These are the earrings, and it looks like they all come in these pretty bags. So let's open the first one. Oops, get the earrings out. And these are, let's untangle them here a little bit tangled. Oops, they go the other way. That's why. Oh, very tangled. I'm just trying to untangle them here so that they'll sit nice. And they've, from being in the bag, they have all kinds of string on them. So these are cute, very dainty. And they are, you know, a post back, you know, not a full hoop, like enclosed hoop, but they are very pretty. Got a lot of bling to them, you know, shimmer. And these are, the earrings are named Lucille, and they are in rhodium with a value of $14.99. And the next thing on here is a necklace, which is right here. And this bag's almost like a purpley. So we will put that there. Save this for last. Whew. That could be a hot mess if you're not careful. That's one thing that I wish they wouldn't put in bags, because then this becomes all twisted, and I know for a fact that, you know, to try to untwist all this is crazy. Let's... I don't even know. I'm not even going to begin to try to untwist. And then it gets kinked, so you would have to work out all those kinks. So this is very twisted. So it does have a little bit of an extender on it. I don't necessarily think I would use an extender. And this is in silver, and it's called a dazzle chain, and its value of $23.99. So it's very pretty. Very long, triple strand. So I would have to spend a little bit of time in getting that untangled, which I'm not going to do right at the moment. So that's the necklace. And then the last item is a bracelet, and they named it Nola, and that is in silver, and the bracelet's value is $14.99. So it's right here in this bag. And this is the bracelet. Very, very pretty. Put it on so you guys can see it on. So it's very pretty. Oops. I don't know if I'm a fan of the shiny silver. I mean, it is nice. I would much rather prefer that it have like not be so shiny and so smooth. Maybe if it had, you know, some like that hammered metal look or something that made it maybe a little bit more vintage. But it is very cute, and it has a nice weight. Went on my wrist very nicely. So here's your opening. It does have some weight to it, so I don't think, I think it would get scratched very easily because of the high shine. But it is very pretty. I do like it. And then it says other, so I'm assuming that's what this is. And this is showing, give a $20 gift card for only $8.99, but then the value says $8.49. That's confusing. So from what I understand, you would have to give this to someone where they would save $20 maybe on a box. I don't know if I'm a fan of that they automatically include that in your package. I have seen other people open up boxes, and their value of their gift card was $7. So I don't know why. Maybe because this is my first box. I'm really confused on that. But like I said, I'm not a fan of that. Them just putting it in there that if you decide to keep everything, that you're going to be charged the $8.49, and you cannot, from what I understand, use it yourself. You have to physically gift it to someone. So that is everything that I received in my Nadine West, and this is package number 1 from them. So I've received a pair of leggings in Galaxy Flower, which is a black background. I received a shirt, a top in Cabernet, and they called the top Sissy. The dazzle chain in silver, the Lucille earrings in rhodium, and then the silver Nola bracelet, and I am missing a top, which was in navy, which really would not have, like, the navy and the Cabernet, neither one would, I mean, I guess depending on the navy, as long as it, but from what I saw on their website, I think that the navy top might have been just as long as this top, which I would never have worn with the leggings, but navy would definitely have gone with that. But since I did specify that I do not like or wear long tops, little disappointed that the stylist, whoever packaged this, did not follow. It doesn't have a name. I thought maybe it would have a stylist name on this little receipt here, that they would have at least, especially for a first-time customer, followed your profile. I didn't care about whether leggings or not. There was no place to specify, you know, if you wanted leggings or not. That could also be something that I specified that I do not want to receive. I did state that I do not want dresses. So, but like I said, I might try on the leggings, but since I am not a leggings wearer, I might not. I did see some suggestions from other people that have unboxed the Nadine West bag that they did suggest, and this is with anything, you know, even if you buy clothes, you know, from a store, that you do wash these clothes prior to use, because if people are bringing them into their home, trying them on, and then returning them, you don't know the habits of the person trying them on. I mean, I would hope that they would, you know, keep undergarments on and so forth. But I did notice when I was holding the top up that there was a little bit of like a deodorant stain on it. So somebody did try it on, and that happens in a department store also. But you also have the option of looking for a shirt that doesn't have that. This you do not. So I like this whole style service idea, and I will give it another chance. I will be contacting their customer service and let them know that I was missing a top, so that when I do send these items back, that I am not charged for that item, because I never received the item. As proof by this video, I just opened this package with all of you. So I do think that the idea is a great idea. Like I said, a little disappointed that one, I didn't get an item, and two, that they didn't follow my style quiz. I did pick silver as my jewelry, so I don't have any complaints about that. I would love this shirt if it wasn't long, if it fell at a proper length for me. If this falls at like dress level, has to be 30 plus inches long, where probably 26 is appropriate for my height. So that has to be 30 to 35 inches long if it's hitting me at the knee. If I was the type to wear this type of t-shirt dress for the spring, summer, you know, I would love that, but that's not my style. I'm very casual. In the summertime, I wear a lot of shorts or capris, and not a lot of dresses, period. So more than likely, I will be sending all of these items back. I do like the necklace, but I don't like when there's kinks in the metal. The earrings are cute. I don't know. The jewelry is adorable. And like I said, I might try on the leggings, but I doubt that I will keep them, just because, like I said, I am not a leggings person. So that is my Nadine West bag number 1. And it is February of 2019. I received this. No, it is January. I'm thinking it's already February. This is January 2019. And I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a little bit different from items that I've shown in the past. And remember to like, share, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. So please consider it. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.